I just looked out the window after getting out of the shower and Miss Bird Dog's out here doing something. Birds are going crazy and she's over here with what appears to be some sort of bird. Bella? Bella! Drop it! Is it still alive? Bella! Drop it. Oh, Bella. Drop it, please. I know you think you did something good. The robin that's going crazy over my head says otherwise. Is that her baby? An awful big bird. Bella, how did you get that? Bella, drop it. Bella! Drop it. Mommy did bad by letting you play with the first one you ever got. Stop. Sit, Bella. Quit. Quit. You did kill it. It's a baby and it's not even dead yet. Quit. Bella.